Good morning, students. I am Mayuri. Welcome you all in today's morning assembly. Today, we will discuss the topics patience and perseverance. Before that, I request you all to get ready for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Students, this is 21st century going on and everyone expects to get things instant and fast. But no one is ready to understand that patience can help you in various ways. Patience is not the sign of no action, but it defines one's ability to achieve his goal and their priority towards their goal. You can see decisions taken in a hurry or in rush can only put you in trouble and difficult situation. But if you take the same decision in patience, it can help you to think deeply. One of the significant way of having patience is that it helps an individual to make an accurate decision. It is also considered as a vital factor of success as it helps in obtaining objective towards the goal. So students, I want to clear this point through a small story. Once there was a great king who was living in very big and glorious palace. One day, he thought that the work of our kingdom is increasing day by day. So, I should appoint someone as my personal assistant who will help me in charge. Then, on next day, the king announced that he is going to appoint a personal assistant for him. Many people had gathered in the palace. The king told them that I will give you a task and you have to complete it for being eligible for the post. There was a small pond near the king's palace. He took them all near the pond and said, "This is a pot and you all have to fill the pond's water in this pot. But I must tell you, there is a hole in the pot." Everyone started thinking that what? There is a hole in a pot and king is saying to fill the pond's water in it. Most of people left without even trying. Some of them tried once and left. But one man named Vishnu kept filling the pot with pond's water. But every time water dripped out on the ground. He tried many times and at last the pond was empty. But what happened then? Vishnu found a shining diamond ring in the pond. He became so happy and rushed towards the king and told, "King, see what I found in the pond." The king was saying everything how Vishnu tried to fill the pot He smiled and said, Vishnu, this is the reward of your patience and hard work. Keep the ring with you. I am appointing you as my personal assistant. So, it is very well said that patience and perseverance always pays. So, students, at last, I just want to say patience plays a very important role in our life. Patience can also bring great changes in our life. Now, come to the next point, perseverance. Perseverance is the ability to keep going or achieve something despite difficulties. Perseverance is an essential element when you need to achieve a high level of success. It comes naturally and requires a strong will. It doesn't matter what your goal is or how long it takes you to reach that goal. The chances of your success depend largely on your willingness to persist and persevere. It requires higher level of patience to develop perseverance in you. When a child tries to stand up and walk, he falls down again and again. And by nature, he gets up and tries to step forward. Although, again, he falls down, but ultimately, he succeeds in walking. The same thing had once happened with each one of us. Similarly, in spite of repeated failures, a man having perseverance does not admit his defeat. He tries again and finally attains success. A persevering person is one who has tremendous self-confidence. Perseverance is the secret of success. Without it, no great achievement is possible. Even if a person is not very talented nor highly knowledgeable but of an average merit, still he can succeed in life simply by his perseverance. In this world, all great things have been made or constructed only by perseverance. I hope you all understood the topic well. Thank you. Now get ready for the next activity.
आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है फॉरवर्ड जंप, फॉरवर्ड लंगी विद द जंप. हाँ, फॉरवर्ड लंगी विद द जंप. सो आई विल शो यू हाउ टू डू. मैं आपको भी करके दिखाऊंगा. फर्स्ट आपको ऐसे खड़े रहना है, फिर पोजीशन लेके जंप आगे करना है. लेकिन जब आप जंप करते हो तो आपका राइट या फिर लेफ्ट, हम पहले राइट लेग से करेंगे. राइट लेग हमारा एयर में आना चाहिए. ओके, सो आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट तो ये पोजीशन का आपका बैलेंस होना चाहिए. देन ओके, रिलैक्स. फिर से मैं करके दिखाऊंगा आपको. पोजीशन, देन हमारा बॉडी कैसे बैलेंस होना चाहिए. ओके, सो यू डू एट योर होम. थैंक यू. स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं वो है एक्सरसाइज फॉर द लेग एंड वेस्ट. इससे आपके बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होगी. सो फर्स्ट आई विल शो यू. फर्स्ट आपको फ्लोर पर से बैठना है, लेग स्ट्रेच करके. ये हो गई आपकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. हैंड्स ऑन योर वेस्ट. ओके, देन 1 क्लोज, 2 ओपन. इजी है लेकिन आपको ये करना जरूरी है. इससे आपके बॉडी में फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ओके, नाउ स्टैंड अप. स्टूडेंट, आज जो हम एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं वो है हमारे बॉडी का, हम बॉडी फ्रॉम अ टेबल. टेबल बनाने की हम जो है वो कोशिश करेंगे. जो टेबल का पोजीशन रहता है तो हम वैसे बनाने की कोशिश करेंगे। ओके, फर्स्ट आपको ओरिजिनल पोजीशन लेना है। ओके, सिट लाइक दैट, ऐसे बैठना है, हैंड्स आगे बैक रहेंगे, नीज आगे, देन स्लोली स्लोली अप करना है, जितना आप अप कर सकते हो बॉडी को, स्ट्रेट ऐसे करना है, बैलेंस करना है, रिलैक्स। ओके, अगेन स्लोली स्लोली अप, रिलैक्स, देन स्टैंड अप। थैंक यू। स्टूडेंट, आज हम जो एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं उसका नाम है होल्डिंग द बॉडी इंक्लाइंड पोजीशन। ओके, नाम याद रखेंगे, होल्डिंग द बॉडी इंक्लाइंड पोजीशन। सो आई विल शो यू। फर्स्ट यू विल गो डाउन, सिट लाइक दैट, आपको ऐसे बैठना है, फिर 1 काउंट पर आपको हैंड्स पीछे करना है। ओके, 2 में अप, 3 डाउन, 4. Okay, again 1, 2, 3, 4. Then stand up. Thank you.